How to collaborate on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate with another creator on TikTok using the collaboration feature. Start by opening the TikTok app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap the plus button to create a new video, then record or upload your content as usual. When you're ready, tap Next to continue to the posting screen. Now, mention someone you want to collab with. Review your post settings, then tap Post. The other creator will receive a collaboration request. Once they accept, the video will appear on both of your profiles, and engagement such as views, likes, and comments will be shared. If you don't see the collaboration option, make sure your TikTok app is up to date, as this feature may not be available in every region or for every account. That's it. You've successfully learned how to collaborate on TikTok. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.